There's a golden-hued spice likely hiding in your pantry right now. You might sprinkle it into curries or maybe a smoothie if you're feeling adventurous. But what if I told you that this everyday spice holds the key to changing how you think about your health? This isn't just about adding flavor. It's about a medicinal powerhouse that has been revered for thousands of years and is now being validated by modern science. We're talking about turmeric, but more specifically, its active compound, curcumin. The scientific community has taken a deep interest in this incredible substance, making it the subject of thousands upon thousands of papers. So, what have they found? Let's explore 10 scientifically supported benefits of turmeric that are so powerful, you'll wonder why it isn't talked about more. Many of us have been taught to reach for a pill bottle for every ache and pain. But what if one of the most potent anti-inflammatories on the planet isn't in your medicine cabinet, but in your spice rack? Today, we're breaking down the science that shows this humble root can stand shoulder to shoulder with some common pharmaceuticals, often without the long list of side effects. First and foremost, turmeric is a titan in the fight against inflammation. Its active compound curcumin is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent that works at a molecular level. Chronic inflammation is a silent culprit behind many serious health issues, including heart disease, metabolic syndrome, and various degenerative conditions. Research shows that curcumin can significantly lower key inflammation markers in the body. In conditions like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, studies have shown that curcumin supplements can help reduce inflammatory cytokines. For general inflammatory conditions, daily dosages of 500 to 1,500 milligrams of curcumin for 4 to 12 weeks have been shown to produce significant improvements. This isn't just a minor effect, it's a direct intervention in the body's inflammatory pathways. If you or someone you know suffers from arthritis, this next benefit could be incredibly important. Clinical trials have demonstrated that turmeric extracts can reduce the pain and stiffness of arthritis, with an effectiveness that has been compared to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or NSAIDs, like ibuprofen. A review of multiple studies confirmed that a standardized turmeric extract typically around 1,000 milligrams of curcumin per day led to significant decreases in pain and stiffness for osteoarthritis patients over 8 to 12 weeks. For those with rheumatoid arthritis, doses between 250 and 500 milligrams twice daily have been shown to reduce joint swelling and tenderness. This makes curcumin a compelling option for those looking for effective pain management. Metabolic syndrome is a growing concern globally, and blood sugar regulation is at its heart. Turmeric has shown remarkable potential in this area. Studies indicate that curcumin supplementation can help manage aspects of metabolic syndrome by improving the body's sensitivity to insulin and lowering A1C levels, a key marker for long-term blood sugar control. Research focused on metabolic health has found that daily doses ranging from 500 to 1,500 milligrams can lead to measurable improvements in blood sugar regulation over an 8 to 12-week period. By helping to stabilize blood sugar, turmeric can be a valuable tool in a lifestyle focused on metabolic wellness. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death worldwide, but here again, turmeric offers a ray of hope. Curcumin has been shown to support cardiovascular health in several ways. One of its key benefits is improving lipid profiles. Studies have demonstrated that curcumin supplementation can significantly reduce levels of total cholesterol and bad LDL cholesterol. In one noteworthy 2012 study, patients who had undergone bypass surgery and took 4 grams of curcumin a day had a 65% lower chance of experiencing a heart attack while in the hospital compared to the placebo group. By supporting healthy cholesterol levels and improving the function of the endothelium, the lining of your blood vessels, curcumin acts as a protector for your heart. Are you finding this information as fascinating as we are? If you're learning something valuable, hit that like button to let us know. And if you want to keep discovering the hidden powers of natural foods, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. In an age where cognitive decline is a major concern, curcumin stands out as a potent neuroprotective agent. Research has shown it can protect the central nervous system and support functions like memory and attention. A landmark 18-month study from UCLA looked at people with mild age-related memory loss. It found that daily consumption of an easily absorbed form of curcumin 90 milligrams twice a day led to significant improvements in memory and attention. But its benefits don't stop there. It also boosts the activity of your body's own antioxidant enzymes. This two-pronged defense against oxidative stress is powerful, as this type of stress is linked to everything from premature aging to heart disease. while just sprinkling turmeric on your food provides some antioxidant benefits. Studies suggest higher doses from supplements are needed to significantly reduce the impact of oxidative stress. A strong immune system is your body's first line of defense. Curcumin has been shown to have antimicrobial properties, potentially helping immune cells fight off some bacteria and viruses. Its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties also work together to bolster overall immune resilience. By helping to calm chronic inflammation, curcumin may allow your immune system to function more efficiently, without being bogged down by a constant state of low-grade alert. For general immune support, a daily dose of 500 to 1,000 milligrams of a standardized curcumin extract is often recommended. The benefits of turmeric aren't just internal. It also has notable applications for skin health, particularly in specific medical contexts. Some of the most compelling evidence comes from studies on breast cancer patients undergoing radiation therapy. Research has shown that taking curcumin orally can reduce the severity of radiation-induced dermatitis, or skin irritation. Both oral and topical curcumin have been studied for this purpose, with findings suggesting its natural anti-inflammatory properties can help calm irritation and protect the skin. We've covered a lot, and we're curious which of these benefits surprised you the most. Let us know in the comments below. We read every single one, and your feedback helps us create content that truly matters to you. Beyond cognitive function, curcumin has also shown impressive effects on mood. Research has found that chronic curcumin treatment can significantly improve feelings of well-being and reduce fatigue. Scientists believe this may be due to its ability to boost key brain neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. Some studies suggest it may also increase levels of BDNF, a protein crucial for neuron health that is often low in individuals with depression. While curcumin is not a replacement for conventional treatments, some meta-analyses have found it can be an effective complementary therapy when used alongside standard care for depression. While research in this area is still growing, there is evidence suggesting that turmeric can support a healthy digestive system. Some studies indicate it may help balance the gut microbiome, the community of trillions of bacteria in your digestive tract that is crucial for overall health. Its anti-inflammatory properties may also help soothe the gut lining. Although more large-scale human trials are needed to make definitive claims, turmeric has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to address digestive issues, and modern science is beginning to support this ancient wisdom. Now, before you start eating turmeric by the spoonful, there's something important you should know. The curcumin content in turmeric powder is fairly low, usually around 2 to 9%. This is why most scientific studies use standardized turmeric extracts, which can contain up to 95% curcuminoids to achieve therapeutic effects. To maximize absorption, it's a good idea to take your curcumin supplement with a source of healthy fat, like avocado or olive oil. And here's the most important tip: combine it with black pepper. A compound in black pepper called piperine has been shown to increase curcumin's bioavailability by an incredible 2,000%. For general wellness, a dose of 500 to 1,000 milligrams of a standardized extract is a good starting point, but therapeutic doses can be higher. As always, consult your healthcare provider before beginning any new supplement, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. From calming inflammation and easing arthritic joints to protecting your heart and sharpening your mind, the evidence is clear. Turmeric is far more than a simple spice. It's active compound. Curcumin offers a vast array of health benefits that are being rigorously confirmed by science. This golden root provides a powerful, natural way to enhance your health and promote long-term wellness. It's a vivid reminder that sometimes, the most effective medicines aren't created in a lab but have been waiting in nature all along. Thank you for joining us. Stay curious, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.